Hello students, welcome to RAO'S math class. Today we'll study the chapter called fractions. Fractions. So first we have to understand how to what is a fraction, how to represent a fraction. Okay. Example: if take a piece of paper, take a rectangular piece of paper. Take a rectangular piece of paper. Rectangular piece of paper. So how it will be? It will be the rectangular piece of, this is the rectangle, and divide it into four equal parts. Divide it into four equal parts by folding horizontally and vertically. So how you will get it here? This is the first point, this is the second point, this is the first one, this is the second. How you to represent? Second represent like this. This is the second. Divide it into four equal parts. This is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Four equal parts by folding it horizontally and vertically. Now shade one part. Shade one out of four parts. Shade one out of four parts. Means how it will be? Shading one part out of four equal parts means you will shade like this. So this is called 1/4 of the whole piece. 1/4 of the whole is called, this is called 1/4 of the whole. This is the shaded part is called 1/4. Shaded part is called 1/4 of the whole. 1/4 of the whole. 1/4 is 1/4 is written as 1/4. Written as 1/4. If three parts were shaded, if three parts were shaded, it is called 3/4 of the whole. 3/4 of the whole. 3/4 is written as 3/4, and it is read as 3/4 or 3/4. In whatever way you can read 3/4 or 3/4. 3/4 is a simple way we can read it like that. 3/4. If you understood this one, for what is the fraction, how to understand the fraction? First take a rectangular piece of paper, divide it into four equal parts by folding it horizontally and vertically. Shade one out of 4 parts. The shaded part is represented as 1/4 of the whole. So 1/4 is written as 1/4. If 3 parts were shaded, 3/4. So 3/4 it is 3/4 is written as 3/4. So read as 3/4. 3 by 4. It is written, read as 3/4. Okay, this is the way of representing a fraction. It is the way of representing a fraction. So what is a fraction then? Then what is a fraction? Fraction is, pause the video for note it down. Fraction. Fraction is a part of the whole. A part of the whole. A part of the whole. A part of the whole is called fraction. A part of the whole is called fraction. A part of the whole is called as fraction. So, fraction is written as numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. Fraction is written as numerator by denominator. So here fraction and meaning and numerator and denominator. So fraction, if I write 5/7, 5/7, 5/7 is called as 5/7. Meaning is 5 equal parts out of 7 equal parts. 5 equal parts out of 7 equal parts. 5. What is the meaning? 5 equal parts out of 7 equal parts. Out of 7 equal parts. 5 equal out of 7 parts. In which whole is divided. Whole is divided. 5/7 means 5/7. Meaning means 5 equal parts out of 7 equal parts in which the whole is divided. Numerator is here 5. Denominator is 7. Okay na? Understood or not? So if I write 3/10, 3/10 is called as 3/10. 3/10. 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts out of 10 equal parts in which the whole is divided. So in this numerator is what? Numerator is 3 and denominator is 10. Clear? So similarly 1/5. If you write 1/5 means 1 means 1 equal part out of 5 equal parts in which the whole is divided. Means numerator is 1 is called numerator, 5 is called denominator. You understood or not the fraction representation? Okay na? So fraction is means a part of the whole is called a fraction. Fraction is written as numerator by denominator. So I have taken 3 examples here: fractions and its meanings, and what is a numerator and what is a denominator. 5 by 7 means 5 sevens. So 5 equal parts out of 7 equal parts in which the whole is divided. Numerator is 5, denominator is 7. Similarly, 3 tenths represented as 3 by 10. So 3 equal parts out of 10 equal parts in which the whole is divided. 3 numerator is called 3, 3 is called the numerator, and 10 is called the denominator. 1/5 means 1 by 5. 1 equal part out of 5 equal parts in which the whole is divided. So 1 is called the numerator and 5 is called the denominator. So this is the way of representing the fraction, and the meaning of the fraction is like this. Okay, now we will see some examples how the fraction is represented in the shaded portion. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Here, for example, how to represent a fraction. Fraction representing the shaded portions. Fraction, how the fraction is represented in shaded portions. Fraction representing the shaded portion. How to represent fraction for shaded portion? So this is the, if it was given as like this example. Here first question given as, here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if it was shaded like this, so how to represent this for shaded portion? Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 equal parts were, this part was divided, this whole is divided into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. Denominator is 7. How many were shaded? 1, 2, 3 were shaded. So it is represented as like this, 3 by 7. Okay na? If I write example second one, if I write the example second one here like this, if it is like this, if it was written like this, this was shaded. So how to represent this? This is divided in how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total is 9 parts. And how many were shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 were shaded. So it is equal to 4. This is the way of representing a fraction of the shaded portion. Okay na? So vice versa. If they ask you color the part, the fraction. If they ask you like this, color the part, according to fraction. If they give you like this, so if they give you color the part, so if they ask you 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8. So how you will represent this one? In whatever way you can take it circle, or you can take it as rectangular or it is square, whatever you want, you can take it, no problem. But thing is, you have to exactly make it the equal parts as 8, and you have to share the 3 parts. That is the way you have to do it. So you see, I have taken here the rectangle. This is 8 parts. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, that is 8. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Okay, 8 parts. So this is total was 8. 8 parts were divided. And 3 parts were shared means, see here, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 parts were shaded. So you can draw whatever you want. You can take the part as and make it shade. 3 parts should be shaded here. Whatever the parts you want to take it, you can take it, but 3 parts should be shaded. So you can take it like this, or you can take it as a circular also, no problem. Circular means like this it will be. So or you can take it 4. This is the 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Clear? Any 3 parts you can shade it like this. You can shade it like this. 1, 2, 3. You can take it, any 3 parts you can take it and shade it. So the balance is, this is the representation. 3 by 8 means you can represent like this, or you can represent like this. No problem. You'll get the marks. No problem. You understood clearly? 3 by 8 how to color it? You understood now? If I ask you 3 by 4, if I ask you or 3 by 4, 3 by 4 means you can take it here like this. Like this you can take it. Okay, 3 by 4 means you can represent like this. 1, 2, 3. This is the way you can represent. Or you can take it like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 by 4 means like this you can take it. Or you can take it as a circle. 3 by 4. Any way you can represent, any way you can represent. Okay, this is the way of representing the shaded portion. Here there will be some questions here also will be there. You understand how to represent the fraction of shaded portion, how to color the shaded portion. You understood now? Next we will see. Now we will see how to solve small problems. Small problems. I will explain you here how to solve small problems. If how to solve small problems. Here see how it will the question. Question will be, if Sharma has 24 apples, she uses or he uses 1 by 4 of them. Sharma has 24 apples. He uses 1 by 4 of them. So question is, how many apples? How many apples does he use? Second one is, how many does he have left? How many does he have left? Here see the question. Sharma has 24 apples. He uses 1 by 4 of them. How many apples does he use? Here you understand or not? 1 by 4 is, what is that one? Use one equal part of 4 equal parts. So what is the whole of the what is this one meaning? What is the meaning of this one? One part out of 4, one equal part out of 4 equal parts in which the whole is divided. This is the meaning of this. Clear? This is the meaning of this. One equal part out of 4 equal parts in which the whole is divided. So what is the whole is? 24 apples. Whole is 24 apples. If the 24 is divided into 4 equal parts, 24 to be divided into 4 parts, how you will do it? 24 apples to be divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts into 4 equal. How to do it? 24 divided by 4. That is equal to how much? You get it? 6 apples. 6 apples you get it. Okay na? 6 apples. So one equal part is 6 apples. So for first question, what is this one? How many apples does he use? How many used? One fourth used na. So 6 apples. This is the answer. 6 apples. Our first question is 6 apples. Our second question, how many does he have left? Means, see, he used 6 apples. Total number of apples is 24. So 24 balance apples is equal to 24 apples. He already used 6 apples. So balance is 18 apples. The he left is 18 apples were left. 18 apples he left. Okay na? This is the way the working problem should be solved like this. So this is Sharma has 24 apples. You use 1 by 4 of them. How many apples does he use? How many does he have left? Means 1 by 4 meaning is 1 equal part out of 4 equal, which the whole is divided. So whole is 24 apples. So 24 apples divided into 4 equal parts means you get 6 apples. So how many apples does he use? Means 6 apples used. So how many apples does he have left? Means so 24 minus 6 is equal to 18 apples. So this is the way you can solve the questions as per the question given. Okay na? So now representation of fraction on a number line. Representation of a fraction on a number line. Pause the video down. representation of fraction, representing of fraction on a number line. How to represent a fraction on a number line? Already you all know about the number line. So how to write the number line of integers means you can write it as this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, so on. So this is -1, -2, -3, so on. This is the way you write the number line of integers. So how to represent a fraction on number line means, if I want to write, if I want to represent 1 by 2, how to represent 1 by 2 on a number line. So what is 1 by 2 meaning is 1 equal part out of 2 equal parts in which the whole is divided. This is the meaning. This is the meaning of 1 by 2 is, this is the meaning. Okay. So this is the number line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, so this is 3, so on. So if you want to write 1 equal out of 2 equal parts, if I divide this 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts, divide this 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts. So how to represent? This is the 0, this is the 1, this is 2, this is 3, so on. So 0 and 2 equal parts means this is the part. This is one part, this is one part. So this is represented as 1 by 2. Clear? This is divided into 2 equal parts. So this is represented as 1 by 2. If I ask, this is 1 by 2. If I ask you to represent 1 by 3, how to represent 1 by 3? What is the meaning of this one? 1 equal part out of 3 equal parts in which the whole is divided. So how to represent this? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, like that. So this you see here, 3 equal parts. Divide 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts means 1 and 2. So 1 by 3 means this is called 1 by 3. Clear? This is called then 2 by 3. This is also called as 1. Okay, this can be written as 3 by 3. 3 by is equal to 1, so like that. 0 means this is called 0 by 3 is equal to 0. Clear? So how to represent 3 by 5? 3 by 5 how to represent? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so on means 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is called, this is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5. So this is 3 by 5. Okay, this is 3 by 5. This is 4 by 5. So this is called as 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. So this is called 0 by 5 is equal to 0. This is the way of representing. 3 by 5 means this is 3 by 5. Okay. So this is the way of representing a fraction on a number line. Clear? How to represent a fraction on. Similarly, you can do it for 1 by 8. Similarly, you can do it 1 by 8, 1 by 7. Like that, whatever the number you can do it like that. This is the way of representing a fraction on a number line. Okay. Now we'll see the how to write fraction as a division. Fraction as a division. Okay. Before that, pause the video to note it down. Pause the video to note it down. Fraction as division. How to represent fraction as division. Fraction as division. See, if you write 8 by 2, how to represent this fraction as a division? 8 by 2 means you can write it as 8 divided by 2. Okay na? So 8 divided by 2. Similarly, if I ask you to represent 15 by 5, means how you will write it? It is 15 divided by 5. This you can write it there. Okay. This is the way of writing a fraction as a division, and vice versa. Division as a fraction. Division as a fraction. If I ask you to write 7 divided by 14, means how you will write 7 by 14. Okay. If I ask you 3 divided by 5, means you can write it as 3 by 5. Okay na? So if I ask you to write 2 divided by 7, means 2 by 7. So this is the way of representing fraction as a division and division as a fraction. Okay na? So this is now today what we have studied is what is a fraction, how to represent a fraction of shaded figure, and if the fraction was given, how to color the shaded part, and fraction representation of fraction number line, and fraction as a division, division as a fraction, how to represent we have studied here. So tomorrow we'll continue about the types of fractions. Okay na? Okay, please share it to your friends and subscribe my channel RAO'S Maths Class. If you like the video, please like it, share it to your friends, and also subscribe my channel RAO'S Maths Class. Thank you.